The Bug Wasp Go-Kart represents one of the defining early racing karts of the sport's transition from backyard builds to purpose-built competition machines. Bug Engineering was founded in 1958 in Azusa, California, by Faye and Tom Pierson and family friend Dick Gear. The company began in the Pierson's garage and rapidly expanded during the early karting boom. By 1960, production reportedly reached up to 320 karts per day, reflecting the surge in demand. The Bug Wasp debuted in February 1960 as the company's first serious racing kart. It featured a tubular steel frame with rear-extending side rails, metallic blue finish, black Naugahyde upholstery, a two-spoke steering wheel, and a rear-mounted Palmini hydraulic disc brake. Standard power came from a Clinton A400 engine, while performance options included Clinton A490 or McCulloch MC5 and MC10 engines in single or twin configurations. Its original retail price was $189. Period reviews in Karting World and Hot Rod in 1960 praised its handling and build quality. The Wasp entered a competitive field that included the Go-Kart 800, Rupp Dart Kart, Fox Go-Boy, Simplex Challenger, Rathman Exterminator, and Moss Kart. Over time, Bug Engineering evolved, later introducing the Bug Stinger in 1970. The company eventually became K&P Manufacturing, known as the world's oldest kart manufacturer until it closed in 2014. Faye Pierson, known as Ladybug, remained a central figure in karting history, was inducted into the World Karting Association Hall of Fame in 1989, and died in 2021 at age 92. She also preserved part of the original facility as a private museum. The specific 1962 Bug Wasp described here is said to have been Faye Pierson's personal competition kart, originally raced in single-engine form. It was purchased in 2025 from her grandson and refurbished by Vintage Museum Restoration in Indianapolis. It was converted to a twin-engine setup and repainted iridescent red. It now uses twin 90 cubic centimeters McCulloch MC10 engines with direct drive chain final drive, prepared with McCulloch high-compression heads, Tillotson carburetors, Vantec manifolds, GM velocity stacks, Palmini exhaust components, and Hands mounts. The chassis features a polished floor pan, Nassau panel with Faye Pierson script, chrome fuel tank, and black vinyl seat. It rides on 4-inch front wheels and 5-inch magnesium Bug Spider rear wheels with Carlisle slicks, and uses a rear disc braking system with Bug and Hurst Earhart components. Today, the kart is offered in Indianapolis, Indiana, on a bill of sale at no reserve.